Beehive Workspace, one of Bangalore's oldest and most recognizable co-working space brands, is now entering into managed office solutions with the launch of its new brand Honeycomb. Come take a look. We are really excited about this product. Shweta, would you care to take them over?
Hi, I'm very happy to be taking you all through the first Honeycomb. My name is Shweta Malgi. I'm the principal architect. We're standing in the very heart of the space that we have designed for Honeycomb. This is a small cozy lounge that adjoins dry pantry area, where also we've created a high table where people can sit and work out of. A small dry pantry. So what that basically means, there's no wash basin for you all, but we can definitely have your microwave ovens, coffee, and all of that other accessories. A lot of storage space be there. A few light accents which I love. The teal color I think adds a lot of that little bit extra oomph to this whole space, and of course the lovely checkered tiles. Adjoining this we have two co-founders' offices. Both of them were designed keeping in mind utility and functionality. We have these lovely metal space dividers. They do divide the space but are only visibly, but they don't really cut through the volume of it. Then we enter the actual core working area. Lot of space for people to move around and lovely hardwood solid desks. The color of this I think is lovely and adds a lot of character to the space. We have a small little paneling going on there. This is also to reduce all the scuff marks of the chairs banging onto the walls and things like that. A nice neat little shelving unit there for you to keep your printers, other things. And this side again same workstations. People can collaborate. Few people who have been using it have always said these spaces are helping us collaborate more because there is no really the typical division between two workstations. Coming here, this I think is a very interesting space. So this was part of the requirement of the brief, that we have a small area where the sales team takes calls. So what we did is design this small pod, which we are also calling single usage pod or phone booth. We can definitely manufacture this at scale. What it is just a small couch with a little bit of a desk, small light to light up the working area, or you can put your laptop inside and work, a lighting for it, and a little bit of an exhaust. And that's what it is. You sit inside and take your lovely call without any disturbance. Coming here, this is a very interesting space. We converted this area into a discussion booth. And we have this step up here because we had to raise this for the entry to the basement, which neatly wrapped up in wooden flooring, and then of course built this glass wall for the clients to have a discussion area inside. This is the director's cabin or the CEO's cabin, the best place in the house, and full glass facade.